how to assign a different function to the mouse middle button on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, go down, then tap on Mouse and Trackpad. Now in here, we tap on Middle Button. Then in here, you can assign a number of different functions. So app define function, show the app screen, home, reasons. You can assign a back function, view notifications, open up quick settings, or open up an app. So here you can assign the middle button right here to say open up wallet, for example, or open up a notepad. Let's see where we can find notes. So here it is, notes. So if I now press on the middle button, that will open up notes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.